Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best Uber dash camera you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Dash cameras have become a crucial equipment for drivers in today's society, particularly those who work for ride-hailing services like Uber. With the increasing number of accidents and problems on the road, having a functional dash camera can provide essential proof in the event of an accident or a dispute with passengers. Uber drivers require a dash camera that is simple to install, captures high-quality video footage, and includes essential functions such as GPS tracking and parking mode. In this video, we will analyze the top dash cameras for Uber drivers based on their features, dependability, and pricing, to help you make an informed decision and stay safe on the road. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 4. VIOFO A129 Duo Lens. The StarVis Experience is a cutting-edge technology that includes a new StarVis image sensor, which is meant to improve the quality of day and night recordings while maintaining crystal clear vibrancy. With the f1.6 aperture 7 elements glass lens, it is possible to capture even the most mundane face expressions. With full HD recording in 1920x 1080p at 30 frames per second available for both the front and rear cameras, video quality for a 2-channel view of your vehicle is no longer hampered. When connected to a smartphone, the dual-band Wi-Fi gives a more consistent connection, boosting the listening experience without bothersome lag or connection loss. Furthermore, except while driving, the 2.0-inch HD screen allows for rapid playback of previously recorded video and audio files as well as modifying camera settings on the move. On number 3. Nextbase 622GB. The Nextbase 622GB 4K dashcam has a 140-degree viewing angle, a 3-inch HD IPS display, Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa integration, GPS, night vision, and other features. Its characteristics make it a very safe and user-friendly alternative for anyone seeking for a high-quality dash cam. While the camera is pricey, the Nextbase 622GB model adds new and unrivaled features, such as video recording technology and additional security measures, earning it the title of one of the best dash cams on the market. The dash cam does not include a microSD card or a hardwire kit, but it does provide simple file transfer and setup. This item is covered by a 1-year warranty from Nextbase, a well-known consumer technology manufacturer. Pros of Nextbase 622GB. Stellar video quality. Extra security features. Simple file transfer. Cons of Nextbase 622GB. Expensive. Doesn't come with a microSD card. Hardwire kit not included. On number 2. 3-channel dash cam, Zenfox. The Zenfox T3 3CH is a dash cam with 3 cameras that capture the front, back, and inside of your vehicle. Its tiny size makes it easy to handle, set up, and use. However, the interior camera's positioning at the top of the unit makes it difficult to place effectively in smaller vehicles. With its 3 cameras, the $250 device covers a large portion of the area around and within your vehicle. Its wide body allows for large buttons and simple-to-read labels, and the well-thought-out menus make it straightforward to use. However, the internal camera's placement on top of the device can hinder the driver's vision, thereby breaching the law. Despite this, the T3 has an integrated GPS that configures settings automatically, a parking mode, and time-lapse recording. The video performance of the T3 is adequate but not exceptional. Pros of 3-channel dash cam, Zenfox. Excellent front and interior day captures. Excellent front night captures. Large display and buttons make for exceptionally easy use. Cons of 3-channel dash cam, Zenfox. Interior night captures are a bit dark. Large size and interior camera placement could affect positioning. On number 1. Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro 1080p dashcam features dual 1080p cameras that record both the road ahead and everything inside the vehicle. Although it lacks many capabilities, it is an excellent choice for rideshare drivers who understand the importance of keeping a record of what happens in the car. The device contains an adjustable rear camera, an automatic parking mode, a built-in G-sensor, and a unique time-lapse mode. The camera's size and octagonal form allow it to sit on a windscreen without obscuring the driver's view, and the suction cup installation is simple and basic. Although the controls are a little clumsy and the screen is small, the video footage is very clean and clear, especially in the dark. Pros of Vantrue N2 Pro. Dual cameras capture video of the road and inside the car. Adjustable rear-facing camera. Automatic parking mode. Cons of Vantrue N2 Pro. No built-in connectivity or companion smartphone app. Small screen. Cumbersome controls. So guys, this was the video about the best Uber dash camera. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.